Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay tuturuan natin yung series natin on squaring binomials. No? So sa previous video, nakuha na natin yung formula o yung expression pag in-expand natin yung a plus b quantity squared tsaka a minus b quantity squared. No? So ginagawa natin is we just square a and then add to the product of 2 times a and b and then square yung b natin. So, gagawin natin yan dito. Ang pagkakaiba lang pala dito is yung nandito is minus 2ab. No? Samantalang ito plus 2ab. Pero all the other expressions no, are equal. No? Okay, so ito, ibig sabihin nito, square natin yung x. So, this is x squared. And then plus no, 2 times the product of x and 3 times x times 3. And then plus, we square this, no? 3 squared. So this is equal to x squared plus, what is 2x times 3? 2 times 3 is 6 times x, 6x. And then plus, what is 3 squared? 9. What about y minus 5 quantity squared? No? So square natin to, y squared. Ano ang second ano natin term? Magiging minus siya, di ba? Minus 2ab. So minus 2 times yung y times 5. And then plus, di ba, nag-multiply tayo ng 2 sa a and b dito. No? A and b. So mag-multiply din tayo ng 2 sa y and sa 5 dito, sa second term natin. And then we have 5 squared. So this is equal to y squared minus 10y plus 2 times 5 is 10 times y is 10y. What is 5 squared? 25. No? Number 3, let's have another example. 2a minus b quantity squared. So, square natin to, yung 2a. So, 2a squared. And then, minus siya. So, minus yung second term natin. And then, 2a, 2 muna. 2 times 2a, yung expression na to. And then, times b. And then, plus, no? Kasi plus tayo dito. Ito, b squared. So, this is equal to 4a squared. What is 2a times 2a? 2a squared means 2a times 2a, di ba? So 2a times 2a is equal to 4. Tapos a times a is a squared. So this is 4a squared minus 2 times 2a is 4a times b is 4ab. Then plus b squared. Okay, so last example. 3a plus, bahin naman natin, 3m plus 4n squared. So this is equal to, square natin to, 3m squared, and then plus 2 times 3m, yun yung a natin, times b, which is 4n, and then plus, what is b squared? 4n squared. Okay. So this is equal to 3m squared, 3m quantity squared. 3m quantity squared means 3m times 3m. So 9m squared. 9m squared plus, what is 2 times 3 times 4? 2 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 24 times m times n plus, what is 4n squared? 4n times 4n. 16n squared. Okay? 16n squared. Okay, so, yeah. Madali lang yung squaring a binomial basta alam nyo na yung pattern. No? Although, sa previous video ay dinerive natin. Siyempre, pag nakalimutan nyo, pwede nyo expand. For example, yung nakalimutan nyo yung 2a minus b squared. 2a minus b squared. So, gagawin nyo lang is 2a minus b times 2a minus b, di ba? Tapos, you use the distributive property na tinuro ko sa inyo sa previous video. So, mangyayari is, distribute natin yung 2a, di ba? And then, we distribute yung b. So, diniscuss ko na yan sa previous video, so hindi ko na yan ulitin dito.